Good morning and welcome back. Welcome to my page. This is Lilly. We're in the year, of course, 2024. Today's date is the 8th of January. Actually, it's my sister's birthday today. Happy birthday, sis. And, okay, I woke up this morning. I had a prayer and there was a word. Whatever we pray for, it's just being grateful. I guess when I woke up this morning, I was grateful that I woke up. I was grateful for my family, friends, and then everything that's been happening in my life. I'm grateful for this day. And so surrender came to me, and the word surrender was, I don't know, I think God put that word in my heart. So I thought, surrender. Then I started singing a song. I just went, I surrender all. And that tune, there's no tune really, I just sort of played it and I just started singing, and here it goes. I surrender all, I surrender all, I surrender all to you, Lord. I surrender all, I surrender all, I surrender all to you, Lord. I surrender all, I surrender all, I surrender all to you, Lord. You know, I'm not really a great ukulele player. I know 3 chords. I pick it up, I start singing, and the tune comes to me, and that's it. So I hope that whatever you're going through today, um, just surrender it all. I surrender it all to you, God. So it was really quite simple for me to just say, I surrender all. There are things that we go through in life sometimes that we cannot explain, but there are also other beautiful things that happen that outweighs the bad things. So I hope that you'll be uplifted by what I've just spoken and shared with you about surrendering, or I surrender all. So everything, anything or anything that we're going through, just surrender it to God and just feel yourself being light. And well, you don't have to carry all that. You could just surrender it all. And you think, why did I have to go through all that? And here I am, I'm okay. There's nothing wrong with me. So if you surrender it all to God, He's there for you. He'll help you through. And that is my sharing for today. That I just hope that you will be inspired by it and sing this tune, I surrender all. And make sure that you do surrender all, that you say what, how you really, your feelings, you share it, and that you are surrendering it all to God. Thank you for tuning into my video. I hope you can continue to do so, and also subscribe to my page if you're not subscribed, because I do share quite a few things on my post, pretty random. But I hope you're inspired today to do something different. Okay, every day should be a productive day to do something different. So today I picked up the ukulele. I'm not quite out of bed yet. I haven't had breakfast. But when I heard the word surrender, that came to me. Thank you. We'll see you again on my next video. Subscribe to my page. This is Lilly. Bye for now.